The song is way too catchy.
Is that Super Bowl finally over, Miss Kara?
Yes. Are you happy?
Happy.
Happy.
The Christmas season is officially done.
That makes me so sad.
Anyway, it's Monday morning, day after Super Bowl. And we are coming to you high atop the 48th floor overlooking beautiful Lake Como.
Are you talking about the melting snow?
Yeah, finally. If you want to go see the ice castles or anything,
They are a puddle now?
I can send you a bottle of water and you can make your own. Anyway, we have model kits now for all that going on. You can actually, all the time and effort, just go to the gutter. I'm sure it'll reform magically. Anyway, we're having a lot of fun. It's Monday morning. Christmas season's behind us. The New Year's is behind us.
I know.
And springtime is just around the corner.
Yes, that's why I'm wearing a sleeveless.
I know it. Well, anyway, it was 57 degrees. Standing my left, without any further ado, her name is not further ado, is the beautiful, the delightful, the world-renowned hashtag Miss Kira.
And to my right is the dapper Uncle Randy.
It is, and we are going to be on camera almost all day today. We got an exciting day coming to you from the Distillery Channel media rooms. We're going to have different people coming in. We're going to be doing a lot of things focusing on what's going on. But anyway, we got this box in the mail. We think we know what's in it. We waited for a long time.
I'm sad. I want this.
Okay.
I'll just take this as
no. This weighs about, what do you think?
Let me see it. 3 or 4 pounds, maybe 3 pounds.
Yeah.
Maybe more.
Maybe more.
I think 4.
Yeah, let's go with 4.
Yeah. I feel like it's a nice weight.
Anyway, this is from the state of Florida, and we know by the outside that it's coming from Stuart, Florida, and from one of our great places, Code Rum Distillery.
They're in Stuart, Florida.
Yep, and Miss Kira?
Stuart. Yes.
We are in here. We have been promised one of the nation's best something.
I think I know what it is.
Something.
I'm just going to put it so everybody knows.
You mind if I open this up?
Just don't hurt yourself, okay?
Well, I don't want to cut the insides.
Okay, how about
you do it?
I do it. Give me.
Yeah, I got one. I don't know.
They really wanted to not...
Nurse.
Jeez.
Do the bottom.
Here.
The bottom only has. Look at that.
If my phone drops, it's okay.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
All right.
What the heck did they...
Well, it must be very, very.
I can't open it.
Let me get it. Okay, let's do it at the bottom. Because I think the bottom only has one piece of... Hold on.
Okay.
There you go.
Let's do it this way. We're making this more complicated.
Oh, magic. The magic has arrived, Miss Kira. Now, one of the cool things is...
Ooh, what is...
We have, at the Distillery Channel, before we get into it...
Yes.
We...
I don't have my cup. Here, I'll use this.
A division of the Distillery Channel called Foya State Coffee, which you see...
Right here.
All kinds of good things that are on there. Anyway, I'm going to have a little sip of coffee because I know what's in here goes with it. Foya State Coffee, the thing we're drinking today, is from our Tall Pines Distillery.
Tall Pines. Down
in, both in Pennsylvania and opening a new one up in Missouri.
Missouri.
And they sent us some Bananas Foster, which is going to be featured in...
at
Geneva, Illinois, at the Coffee Crawl.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's $20 or so for a ticket.
We'll talk about that later, but this one's about 2/3 empty. I wonder what happened there. So,
is it in there?
Cheers. Yeah.
Can I open this? This one seems a little light. Is this...
Go ahead.
This is Treasure Coast Rum Cake Company.
Right.
And this is Key Lime Code Rum Cake.
Yeah. Now, if you go back to some of our broadcasts, actually on the next taste, the one that we did about 3 weeks ago, our first segment was with Code Rum, Johnny Ringo, who is the owner.
Yes, we
love him. In the morning, he's a pirate, and he honestly dives for gold. Yep. In the afternoon, he distills rum and all kinds of great things. And in the evening, he sponsors NASCARs.
Yeah.
Late in the evening, he sponsors great parties.
Yeah, I've been... Yeah. And you know what I learned this weekend? That he can officiate a wedding.
No, he's a brother. Yeah, I can do the same thing. Universal Life Church.
What is this?
You take some time and you can do
this is hot sauce.
I know it.
Ooh.
We're going to get into that key lime cold rum cake in a minute.
This is Captain Ringo's Hot Sauce Caribbean Crush. Let's see what's in it. Captain Ringo's legendary treasure hunter and rum cake not only loves the taste of rum and the glitter of gold, but also tantalizing flavors that bring him the joy that only true treasures bring. It takes the cold key lime rum bloody pirate to another level.
Johnny Ringo is on another level, trust me. And
Yes.
it's a lot of fun. So he started producing, after he did his rums, all of these rum cakes. And in here, I'm sure we're going to get into that key lime rum cake. I'm going to save it.
Yeah.
We're gonna
I
save
think
it.
that, wait, there's more to this.
More, and then
Created
there's more.
in the Caribbean islands, Captain Ringo
Yes.
Captain Ringo
Yes.
enjoys the sauce with his crew and gnarly pirates and wenches. The
Wenches.
aroma alone is worth the doubloons.
The doubloons.
The doubloons. Drench your chicken wings. Use it as a marinade or any way that tickles your tonsils.
Woo!
Tickles your tonsils.
That's
Say that 5
Tickles
times.
your tonsils. So
Here,
anyway,
I'm gonna
we're
put
gonna,
this
we're
right
gonna get these
here.
out today, and then old Uncle Randy and Miss Kira,
Yeah, what's this one?
and with Rob on the road's going to be here this week. We will do.
This is Fire in the Hole. It's
Whoa,
hot. It's hot.
whoa,
You can't
no.
have this because
No.
you don't. You're not a spicy man.
I just hate the sauce of women.
This says these blazing flavors come to you like a heat-packing cannonball, combined in heat with flavor. Ice cream for dessert is highly recommended. Winky face.
Yeah, winky face. Look at the label on that. It's really
Isn't
good.
that
Now,
cool?
Go really
Please check them out.
follow us. Johnny Ringo, the owner. He literally dives for gold in the morning. He goes out on the East Coast of Florida. He's done a lot of research. He loves diving. He's got the pirate thing down.
We
Now,
love him to death.
I anticipate
that we're gonna go down and visit him.
We should find. I'm sure he's throwing a few gold doubloons in the bottom.
Let's see what this one is. What's this one? They packaged it with so much love.
Well, I'm glad. It took him a lot of work.
We've been waiting for
I
this.
would have loved to see Johnny pack this. Yeah. Arr,
Ooh, what's this one
another
here?
one. Okay.
This is hot sauce apples age. That looks awesome. There must be some like tomatillos in this. It says Captain Ringo's apples I add zip and dressed up any dish with just a few shapes. If a sweet heat with tropical tingle, great on grilled pork and rack of limbs must be the rum. Surrender the fruity savvy.
Surrender the fruity savvy, if you know what I mean.
This looks awesome.
So now these are award winners. I'm talking
Oh,
with
no.
Johnny. We're going to have to get the full list.
Yes.
But he's already won a lot of awards.
Yes.
And he's really, really known in Florida for having great parties. I think it was around Thanksgiving. He took a busload down to Key West
Yes.
on Fantasy Weekend. They stayed at...
We need to go next year. This year.
They stayed at Isla Morada.
Yeah.
And then they took a bus down there and partied hardy.
He would be a fun guy to party with. This one is Mango Mutining. It says Mango Mutiny is a perfect blend of exotic mango flavors with zesty habanero peppers. Look how amazing. Ooh, what is that?
Spice flavored rum. Oh.
Keep to the code. I like how tiny it is.
There you go. Samples.
I'm going to put this in my pocket.
Hey. We're going to have a sampling.
Here.
We're going to have a full deck of shows this afternoon. Rob on the Road, who's our official taste tester. Get that open, Miss Kira.
Let's see what's
See what else we
this
got
one is cinnamon flavored rum.
Ooh, that'd be mine. We're going to have some fun with that. There you
What's
go, Miss
this?
Kira.
You want me to just keep
Sure, I'll
opening
just get them started and you can be in like it's a Christmas.
It is Christmas.
I know it.
We've been waiting for these for how long? I can't open this one.
Johnny's busy. Anyway, the fun part is that he's sending a bunch of samples. I know that he wants us to
Go down there?
and also to delicately wrap the world's best coffee beans in Point of State coffee.
Ooh, this is silver rum. Keep to the code. Look how beautiful these bottles
Here is
are.
key lime flavored rum.
I want to try this so badly.
I know.
I'm going to put this.
Now I know. Now, here, we'll get these out. I still think there's more in the bottle.
Wait.
And then there's more. What the heck?
I don't think so.
The gold, the balloons?
Oh, wait, there is.
There is.
What's in... It's like a Halloween party. What is this one? This is another hot sauce. Hot sauce, garlic grog. It says, while he pillaged gold from the splendors, he plundered garlic from Italians to create one of his most coveted sauces, blended with just the right amount of heat and sweet.
Nice.
Look how awesome.
You know, I expected gold doubloons.
I was expecting, you know, what is this? Are these stickers?
Keep to the code. Anyway, what it is that these are some cards that he put in there.
Here,
But it says here is that Code Rum Cakes are produced by Treasure Coast Rum Cake Company using Florida handcrafted Code Rum. Available online and at select retailers. Go to coderumcakes.com. There you can find samples, which we have in front of us, which we're going to get out here in a minute and taste test with a little cup of coffee. Key lime, mango, cinnamon, silver, and spiced.
That sounds awesome.
It sounds like right up Johnny's alley of what he does. Anyway, if you go to coderumcakes.com, and I can tell you something, I can guarantee you. Let's start with this one that apparently is empty. How did that happen? I think we had somebody sneak in the middle of the night.
It was not me.
No.
Let's see. This is the Silver Code Rum Cake.
Uh-huh.
Or what's that one?
This one is
the Spice
Code Rum Cake.
Which one do you want to...
You got it open right there. Let's see what we got. Okay.
Wait, we got to show the package.
I know it. It's great.
Okay.
So this is...
Ooh. Silver Rum Cake.
Now these are award-winning, along with his spices. And he also told us on one of the shows that he has come out with a Bloody Mary rum mix.
Yeah. It's better than... you got to put it with the key lime. Key lime.
Yeah. And what happened is that these have been already award-winning. And again, go to coderumcakes.com, go to Code Rum. So now, Kira, the time is here.
That I can finally try one?
There you go. Do you want to...
No, I got mine.
So they're all individually wrapped.
Son of a gun.
Hermetically sealed.
Yeah, they're cure-proof.
And preserved with some rum.
Except these scissors don't
How
work.
about this part?
I got it.
All right, there you go.
It was just a matter of time.
Okay.
Do you smell that aroma? Get your own.
Let me touch them.
Here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
These are heavy, moist, extremely rich.
They smell...
I'm going to tell you, no kidding. They're soft.
Johnny, if you're watching this, please send more rum
succulent.
cakes.
These are spectacular. As advertised.
I'm not gonna lie. That was worth the wait. Don't eat all of it.
Well, I'm not going to eat all of it. Maybe. That's spectacular. Look how beautiful that is. Anyway, they're very, very heavy and they're very, very moist. And as advertised,
they have so much flavor.
You could actually, with one of these, divide it up 4 ways.
If you want to.
Yeah, 4 ways.
If you want to, keyword.
Be very, very filling. I sneezed on it, Miss Kira. Sorry. Oh, my good. Really good. And in here, we have another. Oh.
I'm sorry, I'm not gonna...
And
what a great way to start
our Weight Watchers. Oh, look at this. There you go. So this is...
That's the spiced one.
It is, yes, you're right. Here we go. Without cutting any of your fingers off. Or apparently we got the world's dullest. What is that? How does that work?
I got it.
Okay. We can't stop eating. My goodness. Anyway, with a little bit of foie steak cut. Oh, Johnny. I'll tell you what. You will not find that in a mayonnaise jar.
That looks like...
From Funkin' Waggles.
There's walnut or pecans. Okay.
So it's looking good.
Oh, there.
All right, just a little piece. Oh my God, they just smell terrific. I'm going to put on smell-o-vision right now. It's coming through.
I don't know which one I like more. I think I like this one more.
Yeah.
Mm.
Wow. Wow. Anyway, very
It
good.
kind of reminds me of banana bread.
It does. It's really got a great taste to it. Very different. The
But
lemon.
way better.
Mm.
Way better.
Oh, both of them are good. Both of them are good. That's what's left. Anyway, not like channel ABC where they just take a couple bites and go on. Anyway, cold rum. No, I'll wait.
I will not wait.
Anyway, for Miss Kira, this old Uncle Randy, apparently our diet has been askew. This afternoon on the Happy Hour Lifestyle Show, there will be no samples of these given out.
No.
They'll be gone.
Mm-hmm.
They should have showed up. Anyway, code rum. Keep to the code. Johnny Ringo, if you want to go and find out more about it, go to Ringo, if you want to write to Johnny, right? Ringo at thecoderum.com. Johnny Ringo is the president and CEO. You can find his website at www.thecoderum.com. And if you want to find out more about rum cakes,
Here.
here you go. Well, don't stop eating.
Mm-mm.
You can go to coderumcakes.com and find out about that, or coderumcakes@gmail.com. Anyway, it's been great. It's been great fun. Thank you, Johnny, for sending this.
Yes, thank you.
Have you back on the next taste next week, and we'll talk about sampling this week. We're going to be cooking up some wings and pork and things for all the spices. So
Yes.
Anyway, so for the lovely Miss Kira, this old Uncle
And the
Randy.
dapper Uncle Randy. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.